Hey there, quick note before we dive in. What you're watching right now is a lesson from one of my courses that I've decided to release completely for free here on YouTube so you don't have to pay a dime. So instead of asking you to buy my course, if you want to show your appreciation, here's a couple of things that you can do. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel. These small actions tell YouTube to share my content with more people, which is a huge help. Also, feel free to check out my recommended equipment links in the description below. If you do purchase equipment from these links, I do get a small commission at no extra cost to you whatsoever. Or if you want to, you can leave me a super thanks or even just hit play on one of my playlists. I know it sounds silly, but if you just hit play on one of my playlists and let it play in the background, even if you're not paying attention, it tells YouTube, hey, people are watching these videos. I'm going to push it out to more people. So even if you just want to do that, I would love it. I would appreciate it so much. And then lastly, if you're looking for more personalized help, I do offer private coaching that you can find in the description of this video. Either way, I really appreciate you, whether you choose to do one of these things or not. Just by simply watching this video, it means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Now, let's get to the lesson. Okay, so if you haven't heard what overcompressed audio sounds like, take a listen to this overcompressed audio. So now that we know what compression is and what it does, let's break down the parameters of a compressor so we can begin using it and shaping our audio. It sounds pretty awful, right? Well, let's take a look at the audio before we overcompressed it. Look at the waveform, the natural peaks and valleys in the audio that resemble mountains. Well, once I overcompress the audio, see how it becomes basically a sausage, as they call it in the industry? All of the natural peaks and valleys are gone. Now, compressing your audio will definitely reduce these peaks and valleys, but so you can hear the difference, here's some properly compressed audio versus overcompressed audio. So now that we know what compression is and what it does, let's break down the parameters of a compressor so we can begin using it and shaping our audio. So now that we know what compression is and what it does, let's break down the parameters of a compressor so we can begin using it and shaping our audio. Notice how the properly compressed audio still sounds somewhat natural, while the overcompressed audio sounds like it's basically punching you in the face and also like it's kind of breathing in and out. We always want to ensure that we're using processing like this responsibly and making sure it's improving our audio rather than hurting our audio.